Hi guys! Pagkatapos namin ni Habi maligo, tinulungan ko siya guys maglinis sa Airbnb niya doon sa pinapaupahan niyang bahay. Kaka-check out lang kasi guys nung guest doon kanina. Ayan guys, nalinisan na namin ni Habi yung bedroom na to. Pati yung kasulok-sulukan guys, nilinisan na namin. Dito naman tayo sa kabilang bedroom. Ayan guys, ito naman yung nalinisan na to nung isa naming binayaran para maglinis. Pero inulit lang ulit namin yung beddings. Nilabhan ulit. Kasi may nakita pa kami mga stain. Ayan. Alam nyo naman si Habi. Sobrang perfectionist din. Kaya, ayan. Baba muna tayo guys. Baba muna tayo guys. Lala. Yung bedroom na nasa gitna guys, mayroong guest dyan. Dalawa sila. Kaya ganito ako magsalita kasi meron tayong guest. Hindi pwede masyadong magingay para hindi sila ma-istorbo. Ayan guys, nilabhan na rin pala ni Habi yung mga damit namin. Siya naglaban yan guys. Ayan, medyo basa-basa pa. Kailangan pa itong i-dryer ng mabuti. Ayan, dito muna tayo. Ayan guys, nakaidlip ako. Tapos pagising ko, sabi ni Habi, nag-order na siya ng foods namin. Paglabas namin ng pinto, nasa labas ng pinto yung foods. Naulanan onte, pero okay lang yan. Ayan, kain na rin kami ni Habi maya-maya. Sinalang niya lang guys yung bed sheets and blanket. Kung ano yung in-order ni Habi. Tulog kasi ako guys nung nag-order siya. Kaya hindi ako nakapili. Ganito guys yung packaging nila dito sa America. Parang lagi nasa garbage bag. Yeah. Ayan guys yung foods namin. Nag-order si Habi ng favorite kong chicken and my rice. Tapos meron tayong mashed potato. Kaunta. Ayan guys, yung rice pala may beans. Sana masarap. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa beans. Ayan guys, natapos na namin yung second room. Baba na tayo. Ayan guys, hindi namin naubos ni Habi yung fruits. Ayan, may fruits pa tayo dito. Naulan guys. Kumain lang kami doon sa bahay. Tapos, ayan, tapon si Habi ng basura. Then, ako, dito muna kami tatambay sa garahe. Hi guys! After namin ni Habi maglinis ng pinapaupahan naming bahay, ayan, dinala ko guys ni Habi sa nail salon. Ka-business partner niya guys yung may-ari ng salon na yon. Pagkatapos magtrabaho, paganda time, it's me time. Thank you my love! Hindi naman ako guys inuobliga ni Habi na magtrabaho, pero gusto ko talaga guys na tulungan siya magtrabaho. Okay lang daw sa kanya guys na magtrabaho ako as long as na magkasama kami. Pumunta kami ni Habi sa salon. Bibili muna kami ng what we gonna buy? Fruits?
Yeah, maybe.
Bibili kami guys ng prutas. Kasi guys, yung maglilinis ng kuko ko, siya yung owner sa nail salon na yun. And ka-business partner siya ni Habi. Kaya, ayan, bigyan natin ng pasalubong. Mag-self-checkout tayo. Busy yung ka-business partner ni Habi guys, kaya yung isang empleyado na lang niya yung nag-manicure and pedicure sa akin. Pero sabi ni Habi, baka daw nahihiya yung ka-business partner niya na baka hindi ko magustuhan yung gawa niya. Pasaway talaga to.
Which one's less damaging to your natural nail?
That one, gel, gel or pellet that I make.
We were gonna come by yesterday to surprise you, but then maybe it was better that we didn't. We got stuck at the the Apple store for too long. You're watching closely, right, Lola? How they hold the file and going back and forth? Yeah. Love. Because then I'm getting hurt. Your new slippers. Why you sell these slippers? we want pink ones and yellow ones. Oh. Whoops. It's okay, that was my fault. We're teasing.
You want different?
No, we're teasing. Oh, to match your dress, okay? I was. I'm teasing.
Yellow, okay, right?
Yeah, sorry.
You go and put the yellow one on. They match your dress. I was playing. 27's being a troublemaker. But I'm surprised they do have yellow ones. It's a nice yellow though, huh? You feel bright? Like a sun. Boy. Oh. Love. Maybe that helps the nail polish go on smoother. Maybe. Now wifey's gonna want me to buy her a fan. You like the color, Love? Yeah, it looks nice, huh? Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. The color looks nice. Yee, wifey's happy. Love, love. I like the color. Yeah, happy with the color choice? Yeah. Love you. Oh, you're shy now? Yeah, value.
Enough!
Huh? You're welcome. I'm glad you're having fun and being relaxed. And then you're seeing all the different steps of how they do it. I think you're gonna like my video, wifey. I'm giving you competition compared to your videos. We're tired.
guys, kakauwi lang namin dito sa bahay. Ayan, pagkatapos ko magpa-manicure and pedicure doon sa business partner ni Happy, bumili kami ng Krispy Kreme and watermelon. So, tapusin lang ulit ni Happy yung sinasalang niya. Then, magre-relax na tayo.